Hey citizens, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to make an unboxing video of my new phone, which replaces my Huawei Ascend Y600 and a Cherry Mobile Flare J1 Mini, which I used this for nearly 1 year. And this is my brother's phone, which I borrowed from him. And this phone is pretty reliable and good. It is quite good to use, rather. But unfortunately, the charging pin of this phone was already broken, and I have to replace this for a newer one, so it will be fixed in the not too distant future. But I don't have to worry about it, and I'm going to show you my new phone. Let's take out the box from the bag itself. I would like to introduce to you my new phone, which is the Samsung Galaxy J2 Prime. I know, I've been waiting this for a very long time, since last year. And how could I expect this? It really made dream come true. So look at it, I have this kind of a box, and I opened my phone in my own hands. Well, I have no words from now, and I'm going to unbox it. I cannot wait to open this box. So, let's go ahead and get started on this unboxing of my new phone, and I cannot wait to getting used to it. So here it is, the Samsung Galaxy J2 Prime. This phone cost 5,990 Philippine pesos. So let's get started. In front of the box, you have your Samsung Galaxy J2 Prime text. There's nothing on both sides, as well as the bottom and the top. But behind it, again, you have your Samsung Galaxy J2 Prime text. At the back, 8GB logo. The 8GB logo indicates you that this phone has an internal storage of 8GB. Here are your rundown specifications right here. Front LED flash, quad-core processor, and power saving mode. Here are the rest of the specifications. With your LTE Cat 4, 1.4 GHz quad-core processor, 126.4mm QHD TFT, 8 megapixel autofocus, plus 5 megapixel front flash, and obviously 8GB memory. And the rest, everything has been written from the box. It says from the memory capacity is subject to preloaded software and blah blah blah. And we have the two websites right here, www.samsungnox.com, and for more information on this device, please visit the Samsung website, or official website rather, Samsung, www.samsung.com. This phone has Duos and Samsung Knox technology. Right now, let's take everything out of the box. And there you go. As what have you seen inside the box? As what you've seen first is the phone itself, the Samsung Galaxy J2 Prime phone. So the color that I chose was silver. The reason why I chose silver, because the color stands out from the phone. Let's push this aside. You have your quick start guide. Oops. and the warranty card. And the rest, you have your USB cable, earphones, and a power adapter. So that's it for our unboxing video of the Samsung Galaxy J2 Prime. Now go back to the phone itself. Here's the Samsung Galaxy J2 Prime. This is what the phone looks like. I like the way how the smartphone really stands out in a silver color. This is the reason why that I chose this color compared to the other color, the gold one. It doesn't really stands out from this phone. I think this is the right color for the Samsung Galaxy J2 Prime, in my opinion. And yeah, right now guys, I will show you the features of the Samsung Galaxy J2 Prime. Let's start first at the front. On top, you have your front flasher. Megapixel camera, information, back, and home button. Here's the screen, your rear flasher, 8 megapixel camera, speaker from the rear, and right now let's take a look at the back of the J2 Prime. I'm going to remove this cover just to show you the features inside. Now, to remove the back cover of the Samsung Galaxy J2 Prime, here's the slot right here to insert your nail inside. To remove the cover, just pull, and then the cover was already removed. As you found on the interior of the Samsung Galaxy J2 Prime, these two are the micro SIM card slot. On top of the SIM 1 card slot is your SD card slot. Alright, that's pretty much it. Now, let's take a first boot up of my Samsung Galaxy J2 Prime. Right now, let's take this J2 Prime for a first boot up. But before we begin, I'm going to show you the side portions of this phone. On the left side are your volume buttons, while on the right side is your power button. So let's go ahead and get started. When you long press the power button, it vibrates and it came out with this on the screen. Now this is not the first time that I had a first boot up today. I had a first boot up yesterday at the store to see whether this phone has a defect or not. Now let's open the phone. I have to reset the time check. It's already 3 o'clock, 2 minutes before 3 o'clock. This is your lock screen. On your left side is your phone app, while on the right side is your camera app. To unlock this phone, you have to swipe it up. This is your home screen. Let's go to the main menu. The sales agent of the Samsung has already been installed some Google apps like Google Chrome, Gmail, Maps, YouTube, Drive, and all that. As well as the Microsoft apps like Word, email, PowerPoint, OneDrive, OneNote, and Skype. Camera quality. Now we're currently in a selfie mode. I like the quality of this kind of camera on my phone. I have a friend before that has this phone. I always wanted to get it, and just to take a photo using this phone, the same phone, but it is a gold color. But right now I have it in my own hands. I have to play with this phone. Let's check the rear camera. Oops. Okay, here it goes. Very good quality of the Samsung Galaxy J2 Prime. This is exactly what I wanted for this camera. With auto, here's the camera settings with your auto, pro, panorama, continuous shot, HDR, night, sports, sound and shot. Basically, you have the camera effects. Flash. This is exactly what I wanted when I'm going to film at the okay, let's see when I'm making a video. this flash works really fine, which by the way made with LED. Oops, let's go back. As well, even in the selfie mode, you have also flash, which is exactly what I wanted for this camera. I have to stop playing with its camera. So that's it for now. Go to Honda Cars Iloilo to film any specific car. I don't know what car that I'm going to choose from to choose to feature on the video that I'm going to make using the Samsung Galaxy J2 Prime. So that's it for the boot up. Well guys, I hope that's it of our unboxing video of my new phone, which is the Samsung Galaxy J2 Prime. Let's take a recap. Right here is the box itself, the phone itself, power adapter, earphones, USB cable, quick start guide, and a warranty card. If you like this video, make sure you hit thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow all of my social media platforms. As always, I will see you next time with 4 more latest videos on YouTube. Thank you for watching and mabuhay!